अरे यार, ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? इतना सब कुछ, इतनी किताबें, इतना पढ़ाई, इतना टेंशन।
मुझे शौक नहीं है। मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाना है। वहां जाने के लिए इंग्लिश एग्जाम चाहिए और मुझे पढ़ाई छोड़ के साल हो गए हैं। अब ये सब लेकर मैं बैठी हूँ बट कुछ हो नहीं रहा है। और पता है इंग्लिश के एग्जाम महंगे कितने हैं। मुझे मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं ये सब करूँ क्या। इसके बिना मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं जा पाऊंगी।
अरे चिंता मत करो, हो जाएगा। लेकिन ये तुमसे अकेले नहीं होगा।
फिर
फिर वीडियो देखो आगे।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and you're watching in Australia. So most of the English speaking countries around the globe require an English proficiency test score for immigration and study visa purposes. There are several English proficiency tests available in the market such as PTE, IELTS, TOEFL, CPE, CAE, etc. These scores make sure that you understand English well and that you can communicate and speak English when you are in that country. So, in today's video, I'm going to compare two most popular English proficiency tests available in the market. That is IELTS versus PTE. So, if you want to know more about this, keep watching this video to the end and let's get started with today's video. In this video, I will be comparing both IELTS and PTE on several parameters. I will be sharing our story of giving the PTE exam, and last but not the least, I will be sharing an amazing resource that you can use to get yourself prepped for one such exam. Let's start by understanding what does IELTS stand for. So IELTS, that is IELTS, stands for International English Language Testing System, and PTE stands for Pearson Test of English. The first parameter is who runs these tests. So IELTS is run by the British Council and IDP, IELTS Australia and Cambridge Assessment English, whereas PTE is run by Pearson PLC. The next criteria is who accepts these tests. So IELTS is widely accepted for both study and immigration purposes. More than 11,000 universities around the globe accept IELTS, whereas countries like Australia, UK, Canada accept IELTS scores for immigration purposes as well. Talking about PTE, PTE is accepted by the most prestigious universities across the globe such as Harvard Business School, Yale University, INSEAD, etc. Around 3,000 universities accept PTE scores for English proficiency tests, and countries like New Zealand, Australia also accept these scores for immigration purposes. In Canada, you can use a PTE score for study visa but not for permanent residency. The next criteria is the test format. IELTS has 4 components: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. The total test duration is 2 hours 45 minutes. Reading, writing, and listening are done in one sitting, whereas speaking can be done either on the test date or 7 days before or after your test date. Talking about PTE, PTE has 3 main components: writing and speaking, reading, and listening. The PTE exam is given in one sitting and is completed within 3 hours with a 10-minute optional break included. The next criteria is time to receive results. If you have taken IELTS on paper test, it may take up to 13 days for your results to be available. If your IELTS is computer-based, your results may be available within 3 to 5 days. Talking about PTE, PTE exam results are usually available within 5 days of you giving the exam, although we received our results within 3 days. The next criteria is the time duration for which the results are valid. For both IELTS and PTE, the scores are valid for 2 years. The next criteria is cancellation. You can cancel your IELTS exam anytime before your test starts by notifying the test center. Refunds will although depend on the exceptional circumstances that you present to the test center. Talking about PTE, if you cancel or reschedule your PTE exams 14 days before the exam, you will receive a full refund. But if it's less than 14 days, then you may lose some part of the application fees. Assessment mechanism is the next criteria. So in IELTS, speaking and writing is assessed by certified and trained professionals, whereas PTE is not assessed by any individual. It is assessed by a software that has been developed by Pearson. So in case you have a fear of human bias, PTE is definitely the way to go forward. Next criteria is transparency in scoring. Although both IELTS and PTE provide guidelines around their scoring, the scoring of IELTS is much more easier to understand than PTE. The next criteria is the fees. Both of these exams are extremely expensive, and hence it is very important for you to understand which one would work better for you. IELTS is slightly more expensive than PTE and costs around 14,700 INR, whereas PTE costs around 13,700 INR currently. And the last criteria, but definitely not the least, which one is easier? So IELTS tends to be difficult in the writing section, whereas PTE tends to be difficult in the reading section. The speaking section is a mixed bag. In IELTS, you are talking to a real person, whereas in PTE, you're talking to a computer-based software. Some people are more comfortable talking to a real person than a computer-based software and hence would prefer IELTS. Whereas if you are appearing for PTE and you understand what the computer is looking for, you might be able to score better. Both of these exams have their own pros and cons, and it is up to you to decide which one is better suited for your needs. My husband Arun went ahead and gave the PTE exam, which is the Pearson Test of English. There were several reasons because of which he chose this one, but let me share a few of them with you. First of all, PTE scores are available quicker as compared to IELTS. PTE is a bit cheaper than IELTS. There's no human interaction in PTE, which sounded a bit intimidating to my husband, and hence he chose PTE. The last but not the least reason was that he is more comfortable with using computer, and as PTE is a completely computer-based exam, he went ahead and chose PTE. These exams require huge investments in terms of money, time, and energy. It is also an important step in getting your visa. Hence, it becomes essential that you get the right guidance so that you score the best that you can. And so for all of your problems, I have a perfect solution, and that is PTE Tutorials online group coaching program. PTE Tutorials online coaching program is one of the largest coaching platforms available, which offers a multi-dimensional approach to accelerated learning via class-apart curriculum with unlimited practice resources, informative videos, and interactive coaching sessions with their master trainers. You can access 8 weeks live interactive classes, free sample questions, exam memory materials, recording of the sessions in case you missed some of the classes, and you can also get your doubts solved instantly by the expert trainers using interactive platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, etc. So take the right decision and enroll today in PTE Tutorials online group coaching program. Website is right now on the screen with over 5,700 plus success stories. Your story could be the next one on their website. Check out the description box to know more about PTE Tutorials. I have added the link to their website in the description box, so make sure you check that out, enroll in their courses, get the best PTE score that you can, and land in your dream country as soon as possible. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.